Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and today I am joined by Jack Dutchke from CartridgeGram. Jack was here at the Cody Firearms Museum Arsenals of History Symposium with myself and a bunch of other people, and I thought he's doing some pretty cool work, and a lot of you may not know about it. So let's introduce you to CartridgeGram. What is CartridgeGram?
So CartridgeGram is an Instagram that focuses on military ammunition, mostly between sort of 3mm and 30mm, because that's just my general interest is military ammunition between that sort of stuff. So I don't really want to go too big into artillery shells, and I don't actually have the space for that kind of thing. So I'm a cartridge collector from Australia. So I just saw the lack of ammunition content online. So
it's interesting. There are so many people who are into the guns.
Yes.
And are focused on the guns to the point of not really even thinking about the ammunition. And historically speaking, ammunition is in many ways just as important as the firearms. Looking at what were these militaries actually shooting. And it can be some pretty high level stuff like, oh, they started with these big, heavy, round-nosed bullets. And then people realized that, like, we kind of want it to go faster, it works better, and things change to boat tail Spitzer bullets. But then you get into some really interesting and obscure stuff and really nuanced developments in ammunition. There's a lot out there that a lot of people are ignoring.
Yeah, and I think there's a lot of people who don't really know that there is actually a lot of interesting history about ammunition. Yeah. So I like to focus on really weird experimental projects like the Spew project, like that between like after war to like the 1970s, 80s stuff. Like I really love that sort of thing. But basically anything military related. I don't really sort of focus on any country or anything in particular. Just any cartridge that I can come across. So most what I post is from my own collection. But if I have access to other people's, I will go and take photos of that. But yeah, I'm at the early stages of my Instagram, I suppose, but I want to branch out into a blog and eventually a YouTube channel if I can, once I figure out my own format. But yeah, like I said, I'm still at the early stages, but it's going well so far. I never thought that so many people would be interested in ammunition, but
that's a good sign when you do it because you're interested yourself and are interested enough that when you share it with people, they go, oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I'll have a link in the description text below to your Instagram account, which I assume is the best place for people to follow your content.
Yep.
Well, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you guys for watching. Check out CartridgeGram. We'll be back tomorrow with a cool forgotten weapon.